Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. How are you today? Me, I'm really good. And here we go again with a walking day. Bright and shiny. Sunny day. Hi, welcome to MC Sunny Channel. Just a little glimpse where I live. Hi, good morning everyone, good afternoon, and good evening to all over the world. Here I am, just walking again as usual. And wait, may hingal ako. Anyways, just showing my place where I live. Just a glimpse, you know. Today is Tuesday, January 28, 2025. So I'm walking, going to the station, which is particularly
Musashi Kusugi. My place has a lot of train station, which is Yokosuka Line and Nambu Line. What else? Toyoko Line, JR Line, even Keihin Tohoku Line.
Yeah.
I am surrounded with lots of train station. So easy to walk around.
And that's the station, Yokosuka Line. Okay, this is the only mall here near to my place, which is the Grand Tree Mall. There. That's the entrance. Close to me is the
Nakahara Fire Station
in a city, which is 2 minutes walk from my house. This way, when you go straight or a shortcut, going to Yokosuka Line, and this one is going to Toyoko Line, JR Line, Nambu Line. Flowers dry already. I'm going to cross the street without a traffic light, and it was fine. Here is the actually you will see the center of Musashi Kusugi.
Nakaharaku.
Over there.
Kawasaki City, Nakahara Community
That's the Grand
Center.
Tree entrance. And this is the station. This is Musashi Kusugi station. And the bus going to every places. Kusugi station and Kawasaki station and so on and so forth. There. And this is the symbol. So no bicycle. And that's the symbol there. Anyway, from Musashi's station, Musashi Kusugi station, Central Entrance 2, which is there's a Nambu line, Yokosuka line, and Shonan Shinjuku line, which is I'm not going there. I'm going to Toyoko line, which is together with Meguro line.
Kaka-video, hindi na i-punch ng mabuti.
So this is what you're talking about. The other side is Meguro line and the other one is Toyoko line, which is going to Shibuya.
Time check. It's 11 o'clock. No luck to find the seat. Hala, kamukha ko na yung inedit kong mataba ako ngayon. Oh no! Kain tayo. Lunch. It's scary! Masarap. Okay. Ubus lahat. Humingi ng apologize for 5 minutes late ang train. Ito sa Tamachi Station. Gabi na rin. Naisipan ko lang kunan kasi matalang akong pumunta dito sa lugar na ito. Another day, another walking day. Nagtataka yung mga kasalubong ko. Bakit kung saan ko nilalagay ang aking camera, ang cellphone pala. Ito para lang makakuha ng view. Walking. Yung iba naka-smile. Yung iba nakakunot ang noo. Iba't ibang araw yan. Pinagdugtong-dugtong ko na lang. Same, pati suot. Ayaw mo nang ibaba yung purple bag na yan. Lagi na lang nakabitbit. Kasi laging maraming dala.
Today is Tuesday. Why I always say Tuesday? Today is Saturday. February 1st. Oh my God. And it's so fast. The days are so fast. So it's already gone 1 month. And today is February 1st. My goodness. Where's the life goes?
3, 2, 1.
Good afternoon. Good evening. And good day all over the world. Here I trying to survive. Well, it's Saturday. Peace, everyone. Parang the same day lang. Today is February 22. Para lang same, no? Wala namang pinagbago kasi pare-pareho lang ang suot. Yun. Maginaw.
While walking. Thank you for your cooperation.
Basta't para sa content, kinakapalan ko ng mukha ko. Pero minsan talaga, hindi ko maiwasan, nahihiya ako. Kaya hindi ko na ituloy mag-video. Pagkatapos ng trabaho, kain naman tayo. Sa IKEA ako kumain ngayong araw na to sa Shibuya.
Quick lunch.
Wala, tinreat ko lang yung sarili ko. Pagkatapos kumain, dalhin ang mga plato. Dapat mauso na rin to sa atin. O ako lang hindi nakakaalam. Meron na rin ganito sa Pilipinas.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Today is February 28, 2025. So, matatapos na naman ang ilang buwan. And whether we like it or not, the time is so fast. Anyway, yeah, I'm just walking at a parking lot. Bicycle area, and nice to walk. My tummy is so full. Just having an exercise, a quick exercise, you know. So what we got for adventure for today? It is still walking. So, see you around. Have a nice day. Mainit ngayon. Around just maybe 10 degrees. But I'm not going out without my coat. That's why I just carry it with me. Just in case it will be cold tonight. Yeah, that's what I always do. Anyways, great day everyone. Uy, may makikita na nun akong patungan, no? Here we go. Oh, cut na ulit yung papunta doon. Syempre, yung papunta muna. Bulaga. Nakita nyo yan? Basta nakakakita ako ng pwedeng pagpatungan. Kuha lang ng kuha. Let me see kung meron pa akong makita. Diba? Ganun lang. May nahanap na naman kasi akong, alam nyo na,
Kinabukasan
pwedeng
ulit
pagpatungan.
yan. Nakakita na naman ako ng pwedeng pagpatungan ng aking camera. Hananap ko. Pero dahan-dahan kunwari hindi kita.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. How are you today? Today is Saturday. February. No, it's March 1st, 2025. Wow. Awesome. It's 2 months is gone and another month is ongoing, and it's really amazing. Na-miss nyo ba ako? Tagal-tagal na rin akong hindi nakakapag-vlogs. Walang ganap sa buhay. Just work and stay at home. Yun. We'll see you again next Wednesday. This is beautiful flowers. Look. Just on my way.
That's a quick transition. See? I'm in a station now. Different day, the same video while walking. And it's fun. I don't know how to engage with people now. I've been alone for so long.
Nagmas ako today.
I don't know how.
Kasi parang may cough show na ako. Allergy. Pasumpong-sumpong lang. Yung hatching ako ng hatching. Ayoko nang makahawa. So I just wear mask for today.
The time is so fast. Everything is slow. But everything is good. Hope you're doing well. All of you here. Who is watching right
Pag
now?
ganitong winter,
Thank you
may
so
ganitong
much.
waiting room dito. You can go inside. May heater dyan sa loob.
God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good. Hopefully, I will be productive this month. Have a great day, everyone. Yes, this is Saturday. This place is in Gayan Mai.
Maganda pala.
Oh, alam niyo na, namamalengke na ako. Ibig sabihin, pauwi na ng bahay. Thank you for watching, and I love you all. God bless. Thank you for continuous watching. Subscribe, Ems Lo Sabio channel.